We are going to completely bridge the gap between quantum physics and ancient mysticism. If you have ever felt forced to choose between logic and faith, between the laboratory and the meditation room, the playlist is for you. We are going to look at Nobel Prize-winning science and ancient spiritual texts and prove they are describing the exact same matrix. By the end of this series, you will not just understand how the universe works, you will understand how to hack it. Take a deep breath, clear your mind. Let's begin lesson 1. We are told that the mystic who meditates in silence and the physicist who does math in a lab are opposites. We think one deals with magic and the other deals with facts. But if you look at the real data, you realize they both are the exact same person. The mystic just felt the truth thousands of years before the physicist built the machine to measure it. We are going to study 4 examples that prove this. Take this cube to a normal scientist. This is solid matter. It is hard, but in 1924, a physicist named Louis de Broglie changed the idea forever. He proved that matter acts like a wave. He proved that this solid cube is actually a frequency. It is vibrating. Now go back 5000 years. The ancient Vedic texts describe the universe as Naad Brahma. The universe is sound. The mystic said it vibrates. The physicist calculated the frequency. Different instruments, same reality. Just like the cube. If this cube is just a vibration, what is it actually made of? In 1911, a scientist named Ernest Rutherford ran an experiment that shocked the world. Rutherford gold foil experiment. He discovered that the atom is 99.99% empty space. This means the chair you are sitting on, the screen you are watching, and your own physical body are mostly made of absolutely nothing. Thousands of years ago, the mystics said the exact same thing. They called the material world an illusion and said the universe is mostly Akash. It means pure empty space. Quantum mechanics shows us something strange. A particle exists as a wave of possibility. It only becomes a real, solid thing when you measure it. In the 1930s, great scientific minds like John von Neumann suggested that consciousness, your mind, is the thing that forces the wave to become real. Now read the ancient Upanishads. They describe Drishti Srishtivad. The seer creates the scenery. The myth and the ancient books says the exact same thing here. Tell me, when can someone be called the father of any field? One can only be the father when that person knows the absolute deepest truth about the field. Erwin Schrödinger was the man. He was a giant of physics, but he did not just study math. He famously wrote that the separation between you and the universe is an illusion. In truth, he said, there is only one mind. He wasn't trying to be a guru. He was just explaining the physics. We are just looking at the raw data. The gap between science and spirit seems to be closed, but this leaves us with a terrifying question. If the universe is just a vibration, and if our bodies are 99.99% empty space, why does everything feel so solid? Why can't we just walk through walls? Science tells us it is because of electron repulsion, an invisible force field pushing against each other so our atoms never actually touch. But the mystics gave this invisible force a different name. They called it Maya. Maya is the ultimate illusion. It is the brilliant code that makes the hologram feel real to your touch. Join me in the next video. I will show you how this illusion works and the rules of the simulation. Decode the illusion, realize the Supreme.